Welcome to Quick WordPress Websites. In this video, we will see how to submit text form for the YouTube Google AdSense account. So this is my text status approved. You can see United States status approved. So I have submitted this date. It will expire in 3 years time. So this is for the non-US citizens living in Asian or other region of the world. So let's see how to fill the text form and how to get approved immediately once you submit your text form. So to fill the text form, first you have to go to the payment section. So go here, earn. So click this one. Once you click there, I have already eligible for the YouTube monetization. So on the right side, I can see getting paid, action required. What you need to do, submit text information. So here it asks for submitting text information before getting paid. So let's click get started. It will lead you to the Google AdSense account. So here you can see notification appears, action repair. There's something to check your AdSense for YouTube payments account. So go to payments. So you also another message coming as important. Click if additional text information is required from you. All YouTube creators and partners are required to submit text information to ensure any applicable texts on your payments are accurate. So there are two items available. You can click this one for manage text info. So both ways you can go to the text add text info, or else you can go on the right bar. Here you can click go for payments and click payment info. Both ways you can go for the text information area. So click add text info. So another pop-up will appear. Before you start, it will say plan on taking 15 to 20 minutes, but it will take less than 5 minutes, and other details are here. So let's click start form. Now it will ask you to sign into your account. So let's click next. After giving password, this form filling method for the non-user US citizen. So let's start to fill the form. First, it asks for the United States text info. What type of encounter is my name? Asking. So I click this individual and click next. So now it asks, are you a citizen or resident of United States? So I'm not a citizen. So click no, click next. Okay, now it will ask select W8 text form type. So there are two types of form there. First one is W8 bend. This form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used for claim tax treaty benefits. W8 ECA for this form is most commonly used for the non-US business entity or individual that earns income related to its US trade or business and files a US income tax return. So for non-US citizen individual YouTubers, you have to select this one, W8 bend. Now click start W bend form. Okay. Now you can see your name will appear here. You have to check your name is correct. If it is wrong, you can edit the name here. Country or region of citizenship. So here you have to select your country. If you are India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, you can select your country. So my country is Sri Lanka, so I select my one. And these are optional. Taxpayer identification number. So if you have taxpayer number in your country, you can put your taxpayer number. So this is for your own country and this is for the US tax number. So if you have the number, you can enter. Otherwise, you can leave it as blank because these are optional. So for the moment, I don't have any TIN number in Sri Lanka. So I click next. Okay, now it asks for the resident address. Permanent resident address is a postbox or in care of address. You will be required to submit additional documentation. So no need to click this one. So you can give your street address, number, city, and postal code. If the permanent address and the mail address are the same, you can give this, click this one. So it will take the mailing address and the permanent address as the same. So let's give your address, apartment, or the any other number that's optional, your city and your postal code. So I have given my address details with the postal code. So if the mailing address is different from the permanent address, you can give the mailing address separately. If both are same, you can select this one. So no issues. Now click next. So here it will reconfirm your details, name, detail, and the address. So then it asks for the tax treaty. Then it asks for the tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So here you have to give no. So if you give it no, I am not eligible for the reduced withholding rate. So you can directly go for the next. If you give an yes, you can see it will ask for the other details like resident of the following country with you, meaning income tax treaty between United States and that country. So you have to select that one and you have to select other these, and also you will get an error message. A foreign TIN or US TIN is required to claim tax treaty benefits. Please add a foreign TIN or US TIN to step tax identity. So if you already given a TIN number for your local country, you can proceed with this. But better to, if you don't know the details, so better to give no and go for the next. So here it asks activities and services performed in US. Mrs. My name performed any activities and services for Google within US or do they expect in future? So if you give yes, so here if you are not doing any businesses or any activities in the US, better to give no. Once you give no, it will ask another tick box to certify. Certify the services provided to Google or its affiliate will be performed solely outside the US and that any labor or capital including facilities or other tools used to provide such a services will be physically located outside the US. So you have to tick this one. Right? Next, click next. Now it will ask the text document. The text document delivery preferences. Do you want with the paperless or do you want to get the text by mail? If you want to get text by mail, there will be another charge for that mail. Mail means physical mail, paper mail. But better to go paperless, already selected by default. So keep as it is and click next. Okay, once you click next, it will ask you confirm your details. So here you can click this form and it will enlarge and you can check your detail, your name, full name, address, those details are correct. Once it's correct, you can click this confirm. So I'll open this form. So I'm checking my details are correct or not. So my all details are correct here. So I come back and I click. I confirm that I have reviewed the generated text documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. So now let's click next. Okay, finally it asks for the certify and sign text form certification. Here it asks under penalties of perjury, I declare that you have to read this one. Anyhow, whether you read or not, you have to agree for this. So I agree that I will submit a new form within 30 days if any certification made on this form become incorrect. So you have to click this. Okay. And comes next, come down. Unchanged status affidavit. If text form may be applied to prior payments by proving the following optional certification. Already submitted a text document, and if you want to reconfirm it is the same, you have to click this one. So I am submitting the text form first time, so no need to do this one. And go down, and it will ask for the electronic signature. So it will recheck your full name. That is my name. So if it is yes, click this one. Yes, I am the beneficial owner named in the text identity section. So it will automatically hide that legal name part. So this is fixed. So once all are completed, you can click submit. Once you submit, immediately you will get following detail. United States Form WP band status approved. So I have submitted on December 23rd, 2025, my name and the expiry. So the text form is expired in 3 years. So I have got next December 2028, this form will be expired. So you have to resubmit another form in 3 years time. So my text form status is approved. The text information is given, so you can dismiss this part. So this part is asking action required. There's something to check in your address for you to payment account. I didn't give my payment bank account, so it asks for that detail. So click this, go to payments. So this is the additional part of the video. So here you can see your tax info for United States has been accepted. Your earnings are here. So here it will ask how you get paid. Add payment method to receive your earnings. So click add payment method. So add payment method. So add new wire transfer detail. Wire transfer means bank account. So it's easier and convenient method. So once you click, you have to give your bank account. Click add new wire transfer details. So first part is beneficiary ID. You can give any ID for your bank name. So I just give this optional one. So I'm using Commercial Bank of Sri Lanka. I just give a short name for that. So Com Bank. Here you have to give your full name of your bank statement. Then the bank name and the SWIFT code and the account number you have to give, and you have to reconfirm the account number, and you have to set as the primary payment method, and you can save. So I have filled my all bank details here. Account number 2 times we have to reconfirm. So here set as primary payment method. Now click save. Okay, now you can see all the details have been saved here. So if you have any queries, please leave in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel and keep in touch. Thank you.